Hello and welcome to Wonder of Learning channel. Today we'll be learning the alphabet. What is the alphabet? The modern English alphabet has 26 letters. Each letter has an uppercase and lowercase form. The letters are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 5 letters are vowels, A, E, I, O, U. The remaining 21 letters are consonants, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Sometimes Y is also considered a vowel, depending on the role it plays in the word. In this lesson, we will be learning the alphabet. We will learn each letter, we will learn each sound the letter makes, and then we will review examples of each letter. Big A, little a, they say ah. What says ah? Apple says ah. Big B, little b, they say b. What says b? Ball says b. Big C, little c, they say k. What says k? Cat says k. Big D, little d, they say d. What says d? Doll says d. Big E, little e, they say eh. What says eh? Elephant says eh. Big F, little f, they say f. What says f? Fish says f. Big G, little g, they say g. What says g? Girl says g. Big H, little h, they say h. What says h? House says h. Big I, little I, they say I. What says I? Igloo says I. Big J, little j, they say j. What says j? Jam says j. Big K, little k, they say k. What says k? Kite says k. Big L, little l, they say ool. What says ool? Lion says ool. Big M, little m, they say What says Mouse says Big N, little n, they say What says Nest says Big O, little o, they say ah. What says ah? Octopus says ah. Big P, little p, they say p. What says p? Penguin says p. Big Q, little q, they say qu. What says qu? Queen says qu. Big R, little r, they say What says Rabbit says Big S, little s, they say s. What says s? Snake says s. Big T, little t, they say t. What says t? Turtle says t. Big U, little u, they say What says Umbrella says Big V, little v, they say V. What says V? Violin says V. Big W, little w, they say W. What says W? Watermelon says W. Big X, little x, they say Z. What says Z? Xylophone says Z. Big Y, little y, they say Y. What says Y? Yo-yo says Y. Big Z, little z, they say Z. What says Z? Zebra says Z. Uppercase letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Lowercase letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, apple. B, ball. C, cat. D, doll. E, elephant. F, fish. G, girl. H, house. I, igloo. J, jam. K, kite. L, lion. M, mouse. N, nest. O, octopus. P, penguin. Q, queen. R, rabbit. S, snake. T, turtle. U, umbrella. V, violin. W, watermelon. X, xylophone. Y, yo-yo. Z, zebra. In this lesson, we learned the alphabet. We also learned each letter. We learned each letter's sound, and we viewed examples of each letter. Thank you for learning with me today. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and share us with your friends. We hope you'll join us again soon for another lesson on Wonder of Learning. Until then, bye-bye.